double gun. Double gun.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we are going to dive deep into an absolutely massive luxury motorhome, the 2027 Scania double-decker 6x6. This isn't just any camper, it's a fully equipped, movable luxury house that can handle off-road adventures. By the end of this video, you'll get the full picture: exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Let's start with the exterior. The 2027 Scania double-decker 6x6 immediately commands attention. The front features Scania's signature large grille and sharp LED matrix headlights, with sleek daytime running lights adding a modern touch. The bumper is reinforced for off-road use, paired with a high ground clearance and underbody skid plates to protect the chassis over rough terrain. From the side, the double-decker layout is unmistakable. Large panoramic windows on both decks provide stunning views from inside. The side mirrors incorporate cameras to minimize blind spots, and the motorhome comes with powered side steps and spacious external storage compartments. At the rear, vertical LED taillights, a sturdy ladder, and a roof rack make it easy to carry additional cargo or solar panels. Now, let's step inside. Opening the door immediately gives you a sense of high-end luxury. It's hard to believe this is a truck-based motorhome. The 2027 model comes with a new smart lock system, allowing entry via fingerprint or smartphone app. Inside, the lighting, air conditioning, and window blinds are fully controllable from a single system. The driver's cockpit is equipped with the latest Scania digital display, featuring a 12-inch digital instrument panel and a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The seats are wrapped in Nappa leather and include ventilation, heating, and massage functions, making long drives comfortable and effortless. The real magic of the double-decker layout is the living space. On the first floor, you'll find a spacious living room, kitchen, and bathroom. The living area has a large L-shaped sofa, a 55-inch smart TV, and a surround sound system. The table is electrically adjustable for height. The kitchen is fully loaded with an induction cooktop, full-size refrigerator, microwave, oven, and dishwasher. Storage is ample, rivaling most apartments. The bathroom features a separate shower, vacuum toilet system, and water heater, delivering a hotel-like experience. Upstairs, the master bedroom and an additional lounge area await. The master includes a king-size bed, panoramic windows, and a walk-in closet, with electric blinds for privacy. The extra lounge can be converted into additional sleeping space for kids or guests, or even used as a small home office. Throughout the interior, premium wood finishes and soft-touch materials create a sophisticated ambiance, and underfloor heating ensures warmth even during winter trips. Performance is equally impressive. The 2027 Scania double-decker 6x6 comes with a 16-liter V8 diesel engine, producing over 770 horsepower and massive torque. The 12-speed automatic transmission delivers smooth shifts and good efficiency. With a 6x6 drivetrain, this motorhome can handle sand, mud, and snow with ease. Electronic differential locks and off-road driving modes enhance stability, while the air suspension automatically adjusts ride height, offering comfort on highways and optimal approach and departure angles off-road. This motorhome is built for long-term self-sufficiency. It comes with a large lithium battery pack, roof-mounted solar panels, and a diesel generator, allowing you to live off-grid for days. Freshwater and waste tank capacities are expanded for extended family trips. Smart home systems control lighting, temperature, music, and even exterior awnings from your smartphone. Finally, let's talk price. The 2027 Scania double-decker 6x6 is expected to start around $500,000 USD for the base model overseas, with fully loaded, custom options easily surpassing $700,000 USD. Prices vary by specifications and local taxes, but considering the scale, luxury, and capabilities, it's an understandable figure. In summary, the 2027 Scania double-decker 6x6 is not just a vehicle, it's a fully movable luxury house. With off-road capability, hotel-level interiors, cutting-edge technology, and sheer presence, it's the ultimate motorhome. For those who love travel and adventure but refuse to compromise on luxury, this is a dream come true. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop your thoughts in the comments, I'd love to hear what you think. I'll continue to bring you the latest and most exciting motorhome and car reviews here on my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.